Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about Drop It, the wine tannin and sulfate reducer.
Recently, I started noticing that whenever I had even one sip of red wine, I would get an instant headache. And I found out from my mom that she also suffers the same problem, and it is the sulfates and tannins in red wine. She introduced me into this drop it situation, and my life has never been the same. It has on the back here the recommended dosage for each type of wine. So with the red wine here, it says 2 to 3. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly drop those in. It is so easy to do. I absolutely love the compact container. I can literally just pop it in my bag. Off I go to have brunch with friends or keep it at home and have a sip of wine with dinner. It makes all the difference, and I absolutely recommend it if you have had headaches after just one sip of wine.
So guys, I think it's great. I really haven't had a headache since I started using this, so it's a definite life changer for me. And my mom as well. But that's just our point of view.